Hey, did any of y'all do some prime time shopping? I did. I didn't do a whole lot. I just did a little bit. And I'm going to show you what I got along with a couple of other things. And one of them I purchased a while back, but I wanted to try it out and let you know about it. And then in this box was something I've been wanting to get for a very long time. So stick around and find out. Welcome to my channel. This is Miss Jackie Russell, and I'm so happy to have you here. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Please hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video. And of course, you can always hype. I welcome hypes and shares, and I appreciate it. And I appreciate all y'all so much. So thank you there. And let's get on to this box. Okay. Ulta offered a 20% off your order no matter what you ordered during the prime time deal that was going on, I guess, with Amazon and Walmart. I didn't shop any of their deals. I probably should have, but I really wasn't needing anything, and I probably don't need this, that's for sure, okay? But I've been having my eyes on it ever since I got the sample. I think I got the sample from Macy's, and I've been looking at their sales. I've been looking at Belk sales. I'm sorry, guys, for my beam lights. I swear Scotty wants me to go up anytime now. But anyways, they had the Good Girl, and these are the notes: black cherry accord almond, tuberose rose, and vanilla cocoa. And guys, I just loved that so much. But when I went to look at it, it was like $144 or something for a bottle, a small bottle. And I was like, oh my gosh. Well, I went to Ulta on Prime Day and with that 20%, and I found that they had two things I was interested in. And yes, it was the Good Girl. I got the Good Girl, the purse size, and this is the Elixir Very. So it's a little bit different than just Very. So you got to make sure when you're shopping Carolina Herrera, yep, that's who I got, that if you're shopping her, you got to make sure if you want the one with the black cherry vanilla, it's got to be Very Elixir. And it says it on there. There's a difference because the other one doesn't have the same notes at all. And at first, I almost bought the wrong one a few months back because it was on sale. But I kept looking at the notes, and I kept thinking, that's not right. That's not right. Even though it looked like it, it wasn't right. So anyways, after all this time, they had it on sale for $106, and I got 20% off, which brought it down to about, I think, $76 and free shipping. And when I was on there, I noticed that they had the purse size on there, and I think this was $39, I think. And I like, if I love a perfume, I like having a purse spray that I can take with me, a perfume spray. So it's not a hair mist, this is perfume. So I got that, and I got this, you know, the regular size to add to my collection of perfumes. Like I needed it like a hole in the head. Now I'm on to another one. Have y'all heard of the Esta La Vista Bella Vanilla? Let's see, what's it called? Vanilla Musk, I think. So, oh, it sounds wonderful. I don't know how it smells, but I'm real interested in that one, though. But I'm going to spray this on. Oh, I love it. That cherry vanilla. I must be a sucker for it. And I think that Esta La Vista Belle by Lancome, they might have black cherry in that, and Miss Dior. I need to really look at those notes because they all kind of smell a little similar, a little different, but a little similar. But anyway, so that was the purse size, and let's look at, as you've seen, I hadn't opened it. I just opened it in front of you guys. Look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful packaging? So pretty. Oh, I finally got one. And you know, I've been collecting her samples, and there's a couple others that I like. But this was my absolute favorite, so I bit the bullet. And I could have just got it for like $76 plus tax. and that would have been fine. I would have been happy, but when not very many sell the little purse spray, not even, not even Macy's or Belk. I couldn't find it on there, and their sales weren't as good, so I went to where the buy was. And you know me, I'm always looking for them deals. And I don't really know how to take this off of here. I hope I don't break it just trying to figure it out. Okay, don't y'all be laughing too hard. But it's what does it say? It's Good Girl, Carolina Herrera, New York. And how do you get this off? Oh. Okay, am I doing something or not doing something? Does it come with instructions? The packaging's beautiful. I love that it's a shoe. I don't want to drop it on my... Oh, there we go. I was just having the wrong pressure applied. I think I had it applied toward the back and I needed it toward the front. But here we go. But yeah, y'all can have a good laugh. That's okay. Sometimes these things are hard for me to open. And it's no joke, but it's, it happens. Now, this is just a 1 ounce, I think. They had 1.7 and then a 2.7. Of course, it gets higher and higher and higher. And I got the cheaper one. Now, I'm going to spray this on my hair. And I'm just going to be smelling so good, like cherry vanilla. Oh, and then, of course, you got the tuberose in there. To me, it's wonderful. Do you like it? Have you gotten some of her perfume? I know it's pricey, so, I can understand if you haven't. You can get it cheaper with this $39. To be under $50, you can do that. But I wanted to get the perfume itself because if I really like a perfume, I will spend the money and I will put it in my little collection of perfumes. But I want to get the absolute best price that I can, and I think I did at Ulta. So I am very happy with this. So very happy. And I think I smell good too. As my granddaughter will say, one of them will go, "Ooh," and then the other one will say, "Hey, I like that scent. That smells bougie." Yeah. They're so funny. But, I guess they know when something smells good, they know. So I was going to look to see if the pricing was on here. No. But with my 20% off in both of those products, I end up spending about $122, which is a lot. But I didn't buy myself a birthday present this year. And I probably, Christmas hadn't came yet. It could be a Christmas present. But anyways, and I might have bought myself something for my birthday. I do buy during my birthday month, but I don't know if it was anything that I was just really wanting. What happened was I probably got something from Macy's that had that sample in there, and then I've been wanting it ever since. So, like this. Yep. And then the other thing I wanted to talk to y'all about was these sheets that I bought. I bought the Miracle Made sheets. Have y'all heard of these? If you have, let me know. They're self-cooling and self-cleaning sheet set. And I also got towels. A set of towels, like a 1 towel with 2 washcloths. And I think a hand towel. But anyways, they cost with the discount, $139. And I got it in that gray color. And so you can get a better look, this is what they came in. Can you believe they had a king set inside this little bag? And of course, I've washed it since then. But I wanted y'all to see the fabric. I got the gray color, but it's really soft, and we've slept on them now for about 2 weeks. And it's wonderful. It's very cool. I've had the bamboo sheets, and those are very cooling too. So if you get hot at night and need bed sheets that will cool you while you're sleeping, then I'm going to have to say these are pretty good for the money. I know it's a lot, but if you look around for it, you might can get some deals. I don't have any links or anything. This is just something I bought personally, just kind of like the Ulta. I don't have links or nothing for that. Just things that I purchased that I really liked. and I wanted y'all to see, and it shows the color there, but this might give you, well, it's pretty much matches it just the same. And then when you get them, it's a better home, better for you. It regulates your temperature all night long and prevents 99.7% of bacterial growth and up to 3 less laundry times because it's self-cleaning. And so far, they've been good. They still smell fresh. And it's been a couple of weeks, and it's luxuriously soft. And they are. So, I was trying to read what it says on the back here. I think it says, transform your sleep, transform your life. But if I can find anything, oh, there's their website right there, www.miraclebrand.com. And the towel's okay. I wouldn't write home about the towel being anything super special. They think it is. I didn't think it was that special, but the sheets are wonderful. But you do get a set of towels free when you order if they're having that special going on. So you might want to check it out. But guys, that's all I have today. I wanted to especially share my good girl news here because I'm so excited to get this wonderful perfume, and I love it. So let me know, do you have any Carolina Herrera perfumes? Would you like to have any of them? She has lots of them, and like I said, I'm trying out some of the others, but now it'll be a while probably before I take this splurge. But that Lancome Esta La Vista, or how do you say it, Esteva Belle Vanilla, however you say it. You know what I'm talking about, Lancome, and it's their Belle, Esta La Vie Belle perfume. It's my favorite. That's my number 2. Number 1 is Miss Dior. Number 2 is going to be Miss I can't even say Esta La Vie Belle. Number 3 is here. Now, what used to be my fragrance? My fragrance used to be Giorgio Beverly Hills, and it's not out. I still have it and all my body lotions, and yes, I still use that. And I might have to say that might be my overall favorite, but these have come in and kind of pushed it where I'm going toward these more. I even have a Prada that's kind of got a candy. I think that's the name of it, Prada Candy, and it smells really good. So maybe with me getting older, I like those kind of sweeter cherry scents or vanilla scents. I don't know, but it smells similar to these, not exactly. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. That's all I have. Be sure and use a pumpkin emoji or a jack-o'-lantern, black cat, or any kind of cat face in your comments in a sentence so that you can be eligible to be in my Jubilee gifting that's coming out each month. And I'm gonna have prizes 3 and 4 on Mass Monday, and I think you're going to love it. If you liked 1 and 2, you're going to really like 3 and 4. That's what I always say, though. But you are. You just wait and see. But anyways, that's all I have today. Be sure and check out the Dollar Tree train if you haven't, because it's still going. And you can still win. 14 chances to win in that giveaway. But as for today, in my Ulta Prime Time sale, and getting the good girl, Carolina Herrera Very Elixir. That's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.